Hello and welcome to HD Revit. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to model this simple house step by step in Revit. And how are we going to do that? I'm going to show you some steps and then I will leave you with some exercises so that you might practice what you come to learn right now. But before I go there, I'm going to highlight some key features about the design of this project so that you might have an understanding of its design and you are now able to model what you really understand. Now let's use this diagram here to show you what are the programs in this residential project. This is an 8 by 7 meters and it's made of 2 bedrooms. One is the master bedroom and the other is the kids room. We have the living and we have the kitchen, we have the dining, we have the 2 bathrooms, and we have the storage, and outside here we have terraces. So you enter by the living room here and then you have access to both the kitchen and dining on this side, and then from the living room you have access to all the rooms and bathrooms. Now the foundation is made of stone. The floor is the generic floor made of stone aggregates and cement. Now we have the walls, which is made of compressed earth block with cement mortar. Then we have the doors and windows, which are made of wood. Now we have the roof structure, which is made of timber. And then we have the covering material, which is the iron sheets. Now, this project, like several other projects from our studio, are going to be available on our Patreon page, which is going to be launched this month. And on that page, you'll be able to access all the resources to be able to follow all the tutorials and courses that we provide. But you will also have an exclusive access to the whole projects, like the 3D models, and an exclusive access to all advanced courses and tutorials that we provide. So if you are a BIM user, you are a Revit user, you are an architecture student or an engineering student, or you are simply interested in housing design ideas, then make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you will be updated about the progress.